Hello. Today we're going to talk about which VPNs are really suitable for iPhone in 2025. If you just typed VPN for iPhone into the App Store, congratulations, you're in for a ton of junk. Free, slow, ad-supported, and data leaking. I tested the top VPNs, installed them on my iPhone, tried them out for streaming, surfing, and security, and here's my honest rating. First place, NordVPN. It's not for nothing that it's on everyone's lips. NordVPN has a separate app for iOS, which is very convenient. Connection is one tap away. There's a quick connect option, or you can select a country manually. It works fast and doesn't slow things down. Most importantly, it doesn't just change your IP, it actually encrypts your traffic and works on any Wi-Fi, even without a manual VPN connection if you enable auto start. Support for the NordLynx protocol is an accelerated version of WireGuard that really gives you a speed boost. Plus, it has tracker protection right on iOS called Threat Protection Lite. And yes, if you follow the link in the description, you'll get 68% off and 3 months free. If you sign up for 2 years. Plus, you get 30 days to return it if you don't like it. Second place, Surfshark. Also a cool VPN. The interface is simple, works on all devices, and you can connect an unlimited number of devices. On iPhone, everything is stable. There is a clean web option that blocks ads, but the speed sometimes drops. And for streaming, I would still prefer NordVPN. Third place, an ExpressVPN. Very stable. They have a separate iOS app, everything is intuitive. Works with Netflix, YouTube, Prime, and more. But there is a downside. It's expensive. You pay more for almost the same functionality as Nord. If the price doesn't bother you, it's a good option. Fourth place, Atlas VPN. A budget option. The interface is fine, the speed is average. Sometimes you need to restart the connection, but it's cheap. For simple surfing, it'll do, but not for streaming or maximum security. Fifth place, Proton VPN. They have a free version, which is good, but on iPhone, it's stripped down. Only one server, low speed, no ads, but not much use. The premium version is better, but still performs worse than NordVPN or Surfshark. Conclusion. If you need a decent VPN for your iPhone, don't waste your time on random apps from the App Store. My choice is NordVPN. It's fast, convenient, secure, and most importantly, there are no surprises. Link to NordVPN with a discount in the description and in the pinned post. It's a really good deal. 68% off and 3 months free. If you don't like it, cancel within 30 days and get your money back. No questions asked. Subscribe to VPN Unlocked. Everything here is honest with no ads or embellishments. See you there.